Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Hey, thanks for watching. Talking boats again today, and we've got an Alpha 1 Gen 1, and we are going to compare the old water tube to the new water tube. And there is a significant difference. The old one is in real bad shape. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers at the Craftsman workstation, and you can see we've been busy. The outdrive on the left-hand side has been fully rebuilt, top to bottom, everything in between. However, we're going to show you the old water tube compared to the new one. To the workbench, and as you can see, a lot of parts. Here is our schematics. Again, we are following the service manual to a T to ensure it's put back together properly. Bell housing, and I've got a water hose fitting, and that goes right inside there. And DIYers, I'll be honest, not many people remove that fitting. However, I find it very important to, because service manual states when it comes time to put this back in, you want to apply perfect seal or gasket maker, kind of the same stuff that we used when inserting the drive shaft oil seals in the upper unit. Go ahead and apply that to the thread, screw it in, and that added perfect seal or gasket maker will help tremendously in creating that watertight seal. And here is a close-up of the fitting itself. Now let's go to the old water tube. Let's set that front and center. Check this out. It is as stiff as a board, hard as a rock, and extremely dry rotted. And growing what looks like moss on it. Not good. However, the clamps did last, which is awesome. To the inside, a braided hose, as you can see there, for durability and strength. And to the opposite side, here is our brand new water hose. And depending on yours, you will either have a 3/4 inch size hose or a 5/8 inch size hose. Here's the 5/8, as you can see. However, ours is a 3/4, which is larger in diameter. Set that aside. And here's the water tube that this portion of the hose connects into. And this hose will actually run to the left of the bell housing or inner transom and all the way back to this fitting that is going to be secured inside the bell housing. So I just wanted to show you those two items. Number one, the fitting, and number two, the condition of a bad hose. And if you're curious the size of this fitting, get yourself a deep socket down below in the comment section, as well as description section will be a link on where to purchase this. This is a 1 1/16 inch deep socket. Again, you will need that to remove this fitting that goes inside there, as well as install it back in. And DIYers, that's it. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And one more thing, scrolling above right now is a link. Basically will bring you up to speed with where we're at. In other words, pick up right where we left off. Hope to see you there.